In this video, I will show you how to delete your EA account. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to ea.com and then you're gonna have to simply click on this profile icon in the top right corner. Now after you click on that, you're gonna have to simply sign in into your account. So simply click on that, and then here you're gonna have to simply enter your phone or email and your password. Then simply click on sign in. Now in order to delete your EA account, you're gonna have to contact EA customer support. So this is the only way to delete your account. So you're gonna have to simply click on your account profile again and then simply go to account settings. Now here, what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on EA help at the top, and then you should get redirected to this page right here. So simply click on manage my account, here manage account, and then simply click on, so you're gonna have to click on my cases, and then simply click on start a new case. And then here you're gonna have to select your EA account, and then here you're gonna have to choose I want to delete my game account, or if you want you can also select something else from here. So simply click on this one. So I'm gonna go with this one for this tutorial, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on email us. Now basically what you're gonna have to do next is simply select the PC and then simply click on next. Now here you're gonna have to enter your first name and then click on next again, and then here simply type in something like delete my account, and then simply tell them that you want to delete your account. So I want to delete my EA account, and then simply click on send, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.